Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang between year 2015 and year 2023. This is the 6th generation Ford Mustang. If you have the one with the IMRC valve, guys, this is the intake runner control valve. Stay with us, we'll explain where the fuse is located, why it's important to test fuses, and where you can buy cheap fuses and relays. All that will be covered today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything, guys. Anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this absolutely free information. And if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, any parts, any tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So which fuse we need to check specifically now? We'll be demonstrating on a 5.0, but even if you have, guys, a different engine, it should work as well. Ours is a 2018 model. Best mod that we've done on our car is the hood lift system, guys. If you want to see how to install it, we have the video on our channel, check it out. But it's amazing. You don't need to hold it, you don't need to support it anymore. So where is that fuse now? If you come right here next to the fuse box, this is, guys, the fuse box next to the engine. You can see, press here, open that layout, and the fuse numbers here corresponds to what we have specifically here. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So which fuse we need to check for IMRC valve, guys? If you come right here, you'll be that fuse block, right there. So that corresponds to what we have here. And the fuse that we will need to check is right here, guys. It's fuse number 40. That's a 20 amp fuse right here. If you need to buy cheap fuses, relays at a fraction of the price, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get them from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.